Welcome to another video. Today we're making banana fritters. These are the list of ingredients that I'm going to use. I have 4 ripe bananas. I've got flour, sugar, roasted almond, vanilla, nutmeg, cinnamon powder, and okay, can't forget the salt. What we're gonna do first is to add our banana to the bowl. So we just gonna peel. So them banana not even juicy like our banana in Jamaica, and just stiff. Cause you see the skin look black and ripe, but yet still the banana still look firm. If you use 4, I'll go with 3 and see what I get out of this. Alright, so for me, I don't like when all of my banana mash out too much, right? I like when I have some chunk of banana in my banana fritters. So I normally mash it a little and then add a little salt, just a pinch of salt. We can add some vanilla, rose and almond. You have to be careful with this and just use a tubes because it's very strong. Some cinnamon powder and a little nutmeg. All right. Combine that. To mix it, I gotta add some sugar. The flour, the last thing I will go in. So this is ½ cup of sugar. Right, and you stir this until you see it get kind of liquidy. So I don't know what in the banana and the sugar are the ingredients when I stir it like this. You notice it was dry and then all of a sudden, I don't know if it's the sugar. I don't know, I can't explain it, but we're just gonna combine. Let's go and mix it till you know most of the sugar kind of dissolve. All right, so then we're gonna end up with this. So now we're gonna turn on the stove. Right. And then we'll add some oil to the pot. So this is some vegetable oil. We're gonna add some to the pot and make that go on, eat up, and then we're gonna finish with the butter. I'm gonna add 1 cup of flour to it first, mix that in. Remember, this is ½ cup, so 2 of this is a cup. All right, we need to get a whisk. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, if you want to stretch it, you can add water to it so that you can get more. But when it comes to me now, I like when mine kind of rich, so I don't normally add water to it. And also if it's so stiff, you can add a little water. But that is perfect. So I gotta go in and test the oil to see if it's hot. Yeah, put a little flour in there. So it fizzles fast, that means that the oil ready. So I go let me move that over there out of the way. So just have to lift a spoon. Right, when you lift the spoon, you have to wipe the back of the spoon from the plate. And then we go drop. So may I use one hand for hold the phone while may I do this. And then I fry it easy, you know. So I have to make sure the oil hot. Kind of want to suck up. You don't want the fritters to suck up too much oil. Alright, let me go catch up that phone here and come drop my fritters them a little better. I'm going to pause it for a sec. Alright, when you see them sticks so, I don't want to move it, just leave it. Leave it for a little while, but we sorry never put over this more. And we need to drop on it a dumpling. Alright, make it fry a little more before we can move it. Drop 2 more. That needs to turn in. Usually when you see it sticks out, you want to fry a little more, but you notice when I left them to fry a little more, then get dark like this. But when you see it a stick at the top bottom, it just want to fry a little more. You can't turn on the stove too low because it will suck up the oil. I'll take these out. So I'll take them out and put them, place them on a napkin. That is something like this. If you move it right now, move, make it stay a little more set. You guys also, if you don't want food, a banana fritters too sweet, you can use less sugar. You know, if you use the amount you may use. go in and remove these. Two more. Let's see if we can get another one. Let me scrape the bowl, so let's scrape the bowl. Let's remove the pot. Alright, so see the finishing product here. You know they may not look too wonderful, but another look at the taste, right? And thanks for watching.